Is your dashcam acting up in your Honda Accord? Let's fix it together step by step. First, check the basics. Is the dashcam plugged in all the way? Sometimes it just needs a quick adjustment. Next, look at the power source. Try plugging your dashcam into a different port or using another cable. If your Honda Accord has a USB port, test it there too. No luck? Try your dashcam in another car if you can. If it still won't turn on, the problem might be with the dashcam itself. Now check your fuse box. A blown fuse could be stopping the dashcam from getting power. Your owner's manual will show you where to look. If the fuse is burned out, replace it with one of the same type. Still not working? Time for a reset. Look for a tiny reset button on your dashcam, usually on the side or bottom. Press it with a paper clip and wait a few seconds. If none of these steps solve the issue, your dashcam might need a repair or replacement. And don't forget, sometimes a simple software update can solve weird problems. So follow these quick checks, and your Honda Accord dashcam should be back on track in no time.